students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different subject or topic which will help you to learn or understand more. In this channel you will get videos related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science or mathematics. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution of standard 7 chapter 2 nutrition in animals. Let's see the question 1 of the textbook, that is fill in the blanks. The main steps of nutrition in humans are injections, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. These are the main steps of nutrition in humans. The largest gland in the human body is liver. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. The inner wall of the small intestine has many fingers like outgrowths called villi. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. The second question is mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. So let's see true or false. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. False. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. True. The gallbladder temporarily stored bile. True. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. True. The next is question 3. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. Fat is completely digested in. So the answer is small intestine. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine is the answer. The question 4. Match the items of column 1 with those in column 2. So column 1, the items are food components, carbohydrate, proteins and fat. Column 2, that's the product of digestion, fatty acids and glycerol, sugar, amino acid. Next, the answer of the match is food product components, that is the product of digestion, carbohydrates, sugar, protein, amino acid and fat is the fatty acids and glycerol. Question 5. What are villi? What is their location and function? The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. Villi are located in the small intestine. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villi has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. Now question 6. Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Bile is produced by liver and is stored in gallbladder. Bile juice digests fat. Question 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. So the answer is cellulose is a type of carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminant but not by humans. Ruminants have a large sac-like structure called rumen which is present in between the small intestine and large intestine. The cellulose is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Question 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate which can be broken down easily to give energy. So glucose is called instant energizer. Question 9. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? So in absorption of food, small intestine is involved. Squeezing of food, buccal cavity. Killing of bacteria, stomach. Complete digestion of food, small intestine. Formation of feces, large intestine. Question 10. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Similarity. So both amoeba and humans use digestive juice to digest food. And the difference between both are human needs to chew food, whereas in amoeba there is no chewing. Question 11. Match the items of column 1 with the suitable items in column 2. So the column 1 items are salivary gland, stomach, liver, rectum, small intestine, large intestine. In column 2, the options are bile juice segregation, storage of undigested food, saliva segregation, acid release, digestion is completed, absorption of water, release of feces. So the answer are salivary gland is the saliva secretion, stomach acid release, liver bile juice secretion, rectum. For the rectum there are two answers, storage of undigested food and the release of feces. And small intestine, digestion is completed, large intestine, absorption of water. The question 12, label of digestive system. So we have done the label as per the textbook of NCERT. So this is the label of a digestive system. Stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus, gall bladder. Question 12. Can we survive only on raw, leafy vegetables or grass? Discuss. No, because to live a healthy life, we need a complete balance of all nutrition. Raw leafy vegetables, grass may have cellulose which cannot be digested by us. So we cannot survive only on raw leafy vegetables or crabs. So this was solution of exercise of textbook and NCERT textbook of standard 7th, chapter 2, nutrition in animals. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn and tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.